Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to earn points in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically first, you will need to have an account in Trailhead. And Trailhead is a learning platform or a learning community in for Salesforce. So basically, after going to Salesforce or the trailhead.salesforce.com, you will need just to create your account. You can create your account by using your Salesforce account or your Google account, etc. After that, you will need just to go to learn and then go to the trails, and from there you can start learning and earning points. So as you can see, by following or by completing modules or learning path, you can earn some points. And basically, by collecting many points, etc., you can be able to start earning badges. Also, you can uh, select your objective or your level. So let's suppose that we are beginner and we want the role of a developer. So from here, I'm just going to filter this. You can start by learning whatever you like. So you can start building experiences with Lightning. So from here, I'm just going to start this path or this module. And from here, I will start just go in and choose these chapters. So I'm going to start with these chapters, for example. And by clicking on this chapter, they will take me to the page concerning this chapter. So from here, I need to start creating the Lightning web components. So I'm just going to set up the Salesforce DX environment. I'm just going to click on this chapter. And from here, I will need just to start answering the question. So I'm going to verify, and basically I have earned the points. And basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.